Today I am reviewing the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus cordless vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to cordless stick vacuums, the market is incredibly crowded, and almost every brand promises high suction and lightweight portability. However, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus cordless vacuum, specifically model number IZ376H in its sleek charcoal finish, actually steps up to the plate with practical engineering rather than just marketing buzzwords. If you're tired of heavy, clunky, upright vacuums that keep you tethered to a wall outlet, or if you're frustrated by cordless models that lose suction the moment they hit a rug, this machine aims to solve those exact pain points. Today, we are diving deep into everything this vacuum has to offer, from the smart automation and the cleaning performance to the filtration, and whether it truly justifies a spot in your home closet. Right out of the box, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus feels premium without feeling overly heavy. It weighs right around 7 pounds as a full stick vacuum, which is perfectly balanced for pushing across the floor or lifting to get cobwebs out of the corner. The charcoal finish gives it a modern, sophisticated look that does not look out of place if you leave it charging in the corner of a room. In the box, Shark includes the main hand vacuum unit, the stick wand, the floor nozzle, a charging cable, and 2 highly useful attachments, which are an 8-inch crevice tool for tight gaps and an upholstery tool for pulling dust and fabric fibers out of chairs, couches, and curtains. Assembly takes less than 2 minutes, and everything snaps together with a very reassuring, heavy-duty click. The absolute crown jewel of the IZ376H is the combination of FloorDetect and Dirt Reveal technology. Let us start with FloorDetect. Traditionally, when using a cordless vacuum, you have to constantly toggle buttons or swap out floor heads when moving from a hardwood kitchen to a carpeted living room. If you forget, you either scatter debris across the hard floor or bog down the motor on the carpet. Shark eliminates this frustration completely. The FloorDetect system constantly senses the resistance and surface type underneath the brush roll. The moment you step off a slick hardwood floor and onto a thick rug, you can physically hear the motor shift gears. It automatically ramps up the brush roll speed and suction power to deep clean the carpet fibers, and then seamlessly winds back down when you step back on a hard flooring. This does not just make cleaning effortless. It actively optimizes your battery life by only drawing maximum power when the vacuum absolutely needs it. Then there's the Dirt Reveal illumination. Most of us think our hard floors are clean until the sunlight hits them at just the right angle. The PowerPro Reveal Plus features an advanced, specially angled LED headlight system on the front of the nozzle. It projects a stark light across the floor that illuminates hidden dust, pet dander, and fine hair that are completely invisible to the naked eye under normal room lighting. It turns cleaning into a visual game where you can clearly see the dust trail vanish right into the path of the vacuum. Under the hood, this vacuum utilizes Shark's hypervelocity suction design. This refers to a shortened, direct-line air path inside the hand vac portion that accelerates airflow to pull up heavy debris like kitty litter, spilled cereal, or deep-set dirt embedded in high-traffic rugs. But suction power does not mean much if the brush roll gets tangled. For anyone with long hair or pets, the dreaded hair wrap is a constant chore that involves pulling out scissors to cut tangled messes off the roller. Shark combats this with their no-hair wrap self-cleaning brush roll. It uses a series of integrated ribs and combs that actively separate hair from the roller as it spins, directing it straight up into the dust cup. Whether you are dealing with fine cat hair or long human hair, the roll stays remarkably clean and completely free of tight, motor-straining tangles. One area where budget cordless vacuums cut corners is air filtration. They suck up dirt, but blow microscopic dust right back out into the room. Shark addresses this by packing a full HEPA filtration system alongside their anti-allergen complete seal. This means the entire vacuum chassis is completely airtight. Once the hypervelocity suction pulls air into the machine, over 99.97% of microscopic dust particles, pollen, and allergens down to 0.3 microns are trapped securely inside the filters. It does not leak dirty air out of the exhaust seams. If you suffer from seasonal allergies, asthma, or simply have sensitive lungs, this level of sealed filtration provides immense peace of mind while cleaning. The IZ376H is a true two-in-one machine. With the press of a quick-release button, the main motor detaches from the wand, instantly converting the unit into a lightweight, high-powered handheld vacuum. Combined with the included 8-inch crevice tool and upholstery tool, it is incredibly easy to transition from floor cleaning straight to detailing your couch cushions, car seats, or dusty windowsills. When it comes to battery life, the rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime when used in standard mode as a handheld vacuum. In real-world floor cleaning scenarios, where the FloorDetect system is automatically balancing power between carpets and hard floors, you can comfortably expect ample time to thoroughly clean a standard multi-room apartment or medium-sized home on a single charge. The battery is also removable, meaning you can plug it into charge anywhere convenient without needing to mount the entire vacuum to a wall. Ultimately, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus IZ376H successfully bridges the gap between ultra-expensive premium stick vacuums and cheap models that lack durability. It takes the guesswork out of cleaning thanks to its smart automatic surface detection, makes hidden dirt impossible to miss with its bright reveal lights, and protects your indoor air quality with a fully sealed HEPA system. For pet owners, busy parents, or anyone who values a quick, efficient, and lightweight cleaning routine, this vacuum is an absolute home run.